Hi, my name's Ethan. I'm going to become an HVAC mechanic next year. This is my last year of high school, and I decided to come to WorkSafe training to get my forklift certification because I needed my aerial lift for HVAC. So I went looking online and I found WorkSafe. Great ratings on Google. So I came here and it was a great learning experience. WorkSafe was one of the only places near me with an aerial lift. And I got here, they offered 5 different forklifts, including the aerial lift, and I decided that I was just going to do all of them. They had a great bundle deal. I got all 5 done in only 3 days. It was incredible. While I was here, the instructor, Nathan, he worked really nicely with everyone to try to make sure they got the best learning experience possible. He speaks many languages, so he was translating for those who needed it. He was really going out of his way to make sure that we totally had comprehension of what we were learning. If we had any questions, he was right there to answer it. He really seemed to care about us. I would definitely recommend WorkSafe training. Now that I'm done most of my school and I have my aerial lift license, I'm most of the way there. Next week I'm starting my co-op and I'm going to get to actually apply everything I've learned here at WorkSafe training to my future career, and I'm very excited. WorkSafe is awesome. I had a great time here. So thank you, all the staff, making this such a great experience for me. Cheers.